install your Kiko Keep It 35 into the big Caboose stroller. You're going to have your universal car seat adapter. There'll be 2 of them, one for each seat. I'm only going to show you one car seat on each seat, but if you had 2, you would start with one and work to the other one. So you're going to put your car seat adapter where the tray would go. So just snap it into place here. And then the same on the front seat. Snap it into place. Then you're going to locate these pockets on the outside of each seat. It's going to be the same on the front. It's going to have these car seat restraint straps, and there's one on either side. So pull those out and make sure they're out of the way. Then you're going to recline the seat to the second position. So this would be the furthermost up position. You're going to roll this backwards, push the seat back so it's in the second position. Take your car seat, rear facing, and set it in that seat. Make sure it's good and in there. And you take your straps and attach it around the car seat, and then tighten down your strap so it's good and tight on the car seat. And then you'll do the same on the front seat here. Make sure the seat's in the second position. The same thing as far in the back. There's first. You'll roll it back to the second. Take your car seat. Set it in the adapter. Take the straps. Secure it around the car seat. And then tighten it down.